Hello students, this is Riya Banerjee and today's topic is punctuation. So let's see what do we have. At first we have full stop. So a full stop is used to end a line. To end a line altogether we need a full stop. Let's look at the sentences. She called me yesterday. So this is a sentence which is telling something. We are going to begin the particular line with a capital letter and it will be ended with full stop. Let's look at the second sentence. Naina studies hard. Naina, N is capital and the sentence ends with a full stop when it is telling something. Let's look. Next we have exclamation point. An exclamation point shows strong feelings like surprises and anger. Let's look at the first example. What a beautiful picture! The first letter of the sentence begins with W and that is capital. It ends with an exclamation point which shows surprise. Next example. Help me! Help me! The sentence begins with H capital and it ends with the exclamation point to show the situation. Now, let's look at the next punctuation mark, that is a question mark. So a question mark asks questions. So let's look at the questions. Will you play with me? In this sentence, the sentence begins with a capital letter and it ends with a question mark. So that we all can understand that this is a question. This is an interrogative sentence. Okay. Next, let's look at it. Can you help me? Look at this question. This begins with can, where C is capital. Can you help me? It ends with a question mark. Next question. What is your name? The sentence begins with W, which is in capital, and it ends with a question mark. So whenever we need to ask any question, then we will put the question mark. It can be before WH question, before interrogative or yes no questions as well. Let's look at the next punctuation mark. The next punctuation mark is quotation mark. Quotation mark is a type of comma, or we can call it inverted commas on the top of the words before and after we have to use. So it is used before and after special verbs. Let's look at the sentence. He said, will you go with me? Look at this sentence. In this sentence, will you go with me? This particular special phrase and words, they are together inside a quotation mark. Okay, so this special word, it begins with a quotation mark before will and it ends after question mark. So he said, will you go with me? Next example, she said, go there. She said, go there. She said, comma, before go, let's look at it. We have put the inverted comma or the quotation mark. Then after full stop, we are again giving the quotation mark. So whenever we want to say something to someone and we have to write it down, then definitely we should put quotation mark.